Welcome to our YouTube channel English by Heart. I will tell you about the present perfect tense today. It is very important tense for you, and it has played an important role in English language. And first of all, I will tell you about the introduction of this sentence. When we talk about complete action, like as first of all in present indefinite tense, we talk about any action, and in present continuous tense we are talking about any continuing action. And first of all, we talk about action, and second we are talking about continuing action, and third action is completed. So when action is fully completed, we use present perfect tense. It is very important tense for you, and it is very important for you, so that you can make your English more and more better, so that in future you will make a beautiful sentence with the help of this format, this tense format. First of all, I will tell you about the introduction of this tense. When we talk about complete action means any work started and it will be complete in after some time. Like as we are going in train, and train will stop any station, so there will be the complete action, because train started any station and will reach another station, and between the station there is a continuing action, and when train stopped anywhere, so that is complete action. I will tell you about this. What are the uses of it? I will tell you about this. Any work just completed, any work just completed. Okay, where we use has, have, and third form of verb. I have written the format of it. When we make the simple sentence of this tense, we will make sentence by using the subject has, have plus third form and object. If you want to make the negative sentence, we use subject, after that has, have plus not plus third form of verb and object. We want to make the interrogative sentence, when we ask questions to know about the facts, has, have plus subject and third form of verb and object and question mark at the end of the sentence. Has, have. If we want to make the interrogative and negative sentence, before subject we will keep has, have, and after subject not, and then third form of verb, and then object, and then question mark. So how to make the format? When we talk about single person, any any single person, like as one person, one thing, one animal, one birds, one man, one woman, then we use has plus third form of verb. When we use about ourselves, like as about I, we use the one things are more than one, and with plural noun we use have and third form of verb. Simple format, simple way, you can understand it, very simple way. So I have made a sentence for it, so that you can understand it complete way. First of all, I have written a letter. I have written a letter, like as I sit in the room, I have a pen and copy, and I start writing something else, and by 10 lines I have written it, so I have completed my work. Yani I want to write 10 lines on this page, and I have completed this. So when work is fully completed, we use in present tense, present perfect tense, so that it is very impressive. When work is fully completed, we use this, and this is subject here, and have. With plural noun we use have. Written a letter, third form of verb, and a letter is the object in this sentence. If you want to make it a negative sentence, we don't think more about it, we just add note after have. Not, I have not written a letter. we we must put note after the helping verb, like as has and have. So if we want to make the interrogative sentence, we will put have before subject, then third form of verb, and then object. It will be complete. Very simple way. Now I will tell you about the next uses of it. Work happened in past and talking now. Any work happened in past, like as we went Agra and we saw Taj Mahal, and now after 2 years, 3 years, we are sitting anywhere and we are talking about our visiting any religious places, anywhere we visited. So when we talk about our complete action, our action happened in past, like us 2 years back, and we are talking that action this time, this complete action we went and we saw it, and work is finished. So where we will put has, have, and third form of verb after subject. Work happened in past and talking now. I have told you about this uses or this time. Okay, I have made a sentence of it. I have seen the Taj Mahal. Here, I subject, have helping verb, seen third form of verb, and the Taj Mahal. This is the object. This is the object. In any sentence making process, we need only three things: first subject, second verb, and then object. Okay. If we want to make it negative sentence, simply, very simple way, you can make it after helping verb put not, your sentence will not be wrong. It is a best way. It is a best way to make any kind of the sentence. If you want to make it an interrogative sentence, any interrogative sentence, helping verb will come before subject. Helping verb may be anything, like as is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, shall, will, any modals, and was were had, anything else, any helping verb we will put before subject, and after subject, according to the tense, we will use the verb and then object and then question mark. It is very simple way. Here in this tense, we are talking about this tense, present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use only two helping verb, has and have. Has is used with a singular noun and with third person he, she, it, and have is used with plural noun and I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. It is very important to know about this. Uh, Only simple way, very simple way I am telling you about this. I have written the formats, you can note on your copy and you can study it and you can understand it, so that in future you will not be confused about it. Okay, I'm telling you about this. If you want to make this negative sentence, we will put a note after have, and if you want to make it interrogative sentence, you will put have before subject. Okay, here I have made another sentence on has. When we talk about one person, one thing, one man, woman, one train, anything, one about one thing, so we put has. We put has plus third form. Here is he. He has helping verb, third form of verb, and the video is object. He is subject. He has liked the video. We are talking about the our like dislike. Like as we want to see any video and we like this video, we like this video. Like as we open any YouTube channel and we start scrolling and we want to see any short clip, any long clip. So like as our work is complete, our work is totally completed, so that, and then we give the like, we give the like, he has liked the video. And if we want to make it the negative sentence, simply put note after helping verb, has, have. He has not, subject, helping verb, and note, third form of verb and object, third verb of verb and object. He has not liked the video. It is negative sentence. If you want to make the interrogative sentence, we will put has before subject. Subject is he, and third form after subject. Third form, third form of we can put after subject, and the video is the object in this sentence. We will put after verb. today. This time I have tried my best to make you understand, so that you can understand it the simple way. And in my next video I will make a lot of sentences on this sentence, so that you can understand it best way. Thanks a lot, thank you so much. If you want, if you like our video, so you can subscribe it, share it, so that in next video I will give you the best best video. Thanks a lot, thank you so much.